Good day, everyone. Today, we will be discussing features of journalistic writing. Together, let's make learning English fun and easy. In the previous lesson, you have learned about the different elements of a story, such as setting, characters, and plot that enabled you to write your own short story. Learning about these elements will lead you to understand the story better. However, there's more to learn aside from writing a story. Journalistic writing is another important skill a learner should acquire. It is the style of writing used to report news stories in newspapers, television, broadcast, on radio, and on the internet. Today, you will learn to appreciate journalistic writing or newspaper writing, which is very different from story writing. Features of journalistic writing. Headline. Headlines are bold page headings that summarize the story. They should sum up the story in a few words. Headlines catch the reader's attention so they are encouraged to read on. Use powerful and emotive language, often humorous or rely on the wordplay. Written in the present tense. Byline. Byline identifies who wrote the article. A byline should include author's or reporter's name, title or role such as sports reporter or crime editor, email address or social media account name if appropriate. Photos and captions. Photos and captions are images help to describe the events and illustrate what the reporter is talking about. These photos include captions that describe the picture and what it relates to. Column. Columns are paragraphs organized in columns to help the reader follow the story more easily. Columns are bodies of text placed side by side. It is important that the body of the newspaper report includes accurate, factual information relating to the story, direct speech and quotations from the experts to make the story more reliable. Expert opinion. Important dates relating to the story. Front-loading ensures that all the key information is included as soon as possible so that readers do not lose interest. The first paragraph of a news story is the point of the story and the major facts straight away. Let's do this. Study the article below taken from philstar.com about COVID-19 vaccines. Label each feature of journalistic article. Number 1 is photo. Number 2 is caption. Number 3 is headline. Number 4 is byline. And number 5 is column. Let's do this. Read the following statements carefully. Identify which feature of journalistic writing is being described in each number. Choose your answers from the box below. It describes the picture and what it relates to. This is the caption. These are bold page headings that are written in the present tense. This is headline. Images help describe the events and illustrate what the reporters is talking about. This is photos. These include the author's name, title or role, and email address or social media account. This is byline. It is important body of the newspaper report which includes accurate, factual information relating to the story. This is the column. Let's do this. Read the article below carefully and identify what feature of journalistic writing it is. Number 1 is headline. Number 2 is what we called byline. Number 3 is photo. Number 4 is caption. And number 5 is the column. Let's do this. Read the news article below. Carefully identify and check the features of journalistic writing in it by answering the questions that follow. Amid rumors, NBA League source insists Soto still member of Ignite by Luisa Morales. Filipino basketball fans can rest easy amid rumors of Kai Soto's status with the NBA G League. This after a source familiar with the situation confirmed to Philstar.com that the 7 feet 3 inches Filipino prospect is still very much part of Team Ignite. Kai's status with our program remains unchanged, and he is still a member of Ignite. The source, who requested anonymity, told Philstar.com in an email Saturday. Doubts on Soto's future with the G League rose Saturday evening as rumors floated that the 18-year-old has been disallowed from entering the NBA G League bubble or worse, dropped altogether by the development program. As for him, entering the G League bubble in Orlando and getting to play with Ignite, that will all depend on Soto's situation in terms of the health and safety protocols. An earlier report that by Philstar.com's Alder Almo said that Soto will need 6 negative tests for the coronavirus before being allowed to enter the Orlando bubble. What is the headline? The headline of the article is Amid Rumors, NBA G League source insists Soto is still member of Ignite. Who is the author of the article? The author of the article is Luisa Morales. Does it include a photo with caption that would describe what the event is all about? No, the article does not have any photo with caption that would describe what the event is all about. Does the column include accurate and factual information relating to the story? Yes, the author put a quotations from the reliable source that makes the story reliable. Does the first paragraph ensure to include the most important information? Yes, the author ensured that first paragraph gives the idea to the reader about what they will read in the article. Journalistic writing is the style of writing used to report news stories in newspapers, television broadcasts, on radio, and on the internet. It has several features which makes it different from story writing. Headlines are bold page headings that summarize the story. Byline identifies who wrote the article. Photos or images help describe the event and illustrate what the reporter is talking about. Columns are paragraphs organized in columns to help the reader follow the story more easily. Front-loading ensures that all the key information is included as soon as possible so that readers do not lose interest. Let's do this. Read the following words and phrases below carefully. Identify what feature of journalistic writing is being described. Written in the past tense. This is letter D. Headline. Factual information relating to the story. This is letter B. Column. Author's name. This is letter A. Byline. Images. This is letter E. Photos and caption. Expert opinion. This is letter B. Column. Powerful and emotive language. This is letter D. Headline. Key information. This is letter C. Front loading. Title or role of the writer. This is letter A. Byline. Direct speech. This is letter B. Column. Story in a few words. This is letter D. Headline. Thank you for watching. Till our next English lesson. Goodbye.